Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use Amazon gift card and Roblox. So, first, you have to understand that you cannot directly redeem an Amazon gift card in Roblox. So, what you do instead is use the Amazon gift card to buy a Roblox gift card on Amazon, then redeem that on Roblox. So, first is we have to redeem your Amazon gift card. So just go to, amazon.com, logged in, and then go to gift cards. Okay. And then you just have to redeem a gift card. So you just have to enter the code so the balance is added to your Amazon account. You just have to input it right here. And then after that, we are going to buy a Roblox gift card on Amazon. So here, just going to search for Roblox. Okay, digital gift card. Okay, after that, you'd be able to see here now the different results. So you just have to choose the amount you want and then pay using the Amazon gift card balance. So for example, this one. Okay, so you simply add this to your cart. That's right. And then tap on proceed to check out. Okay, and then after that, you just have to redeem the Roblox gift card. So using this website. So you just have to log in to your Roblox account and then you just have to simply type out a code right here. So once redeemed, the value is added to your Roblox credit and you can now use that credit to buy Robux, premium, or in-game items. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.